Hello, my name is Patrick Putrenstan. In here, I want to give presentation about interpersonal skills, teamwork, and communication. Discussion topic number 1: understanding of teamwork skill. Number 2: the benefit of teamwork. Number 3: how to improve teamwork. Number 4: efficient and good communication. The topic number 1: teamwork skill, the basic for building teamwork. Understanding of teamwork skill. Cooperation skill are one of the soft skills that are needed in the world of work because they can support the success of the main goals of a company. Because the hard skill of each individual alone will not be enough to complete the work on their own. With this skill, a person can communicate, hear information well, and be able to coordinate work for subsequent execution. Therefore, it needs to be honed for maximum result. It is not uncommon for someone to have this expertise, even though it plays a very important role in the running and development of a company. In addition, there are also other benefits that are also provided if each team member has this soft skill. There are several examples of those teamwork skills that every team member must hone and possesses. The first, in communication, both in writing and verbally, because it will increase efficiency in a teamwork. Next is the responsibility of each employee in his work so that the work results are maximized. The responsibilities they have will also make the work of each team member not hampered. Honestly, is also a very important element when honing cooperation skill in all conditions. Any inconvenience or problem that arise must be resolved transparently so that the communication that is established is also clear. Not only that, each team member must have the ability to listen well so that the discussion goes both ways. In this way, every idea can be collaborated to further advance the company. It is also very important for each team member to have empathy, and be able to respect each other. Because a job is done together with this attitude, it will increase trust with one another. The benefits of teamwork. Number 1 is more effective work. The benefit of teamwork. Number 2, encouraging a sense of ownership. Benefit number 3, more diverse ideas. The benefits number 4, healthier risk taking. Number 5, able to solve problem. Rest on each other. Various ways to improve the teamwork. How to improve teamwork? Here can not only be done if you have a high position, yes, but also for those of you who are still classified as new employers or are at the entry level. There are several ways to build teamwork that can you do? Namely, number 1, set goals together. Get to know each member character. Number 3, diligently communicate and chat with teammates. Number 4, do activities outside the office together. Number 5, set the rules in the team. Number 6, conduct an evaluation every 1 or 2 weeks. Number 7, make the work's atmosphere as comfortable as possible. Number 8, respect the privacy of each team member. Efficient and good communication. Effective communication is one of the key to success in a relationship, not only when with a partner, but also with colleagues or family. Communication is one way when trying to respond to the other person. Not only responding, but communication is also needed in interaction. Since childhood, we have been taught to communicate. But communicating is not just to practice talking to each other, but also being able to listen. One example of efficient communication is when both parties or more are able to listen to someone's statement and provided responses. It can be in the form of question or giving criticism or suggestion. It will show that they agree or disagree. Tips for building efficient and effective communication. Number 1, listening to the interlocutor. In communicating, we are indeed allowed to express opinion, but that doesn't mean we don't allow the other person to express their opinion. Sometimes listening to the other person is also important. Number 2, asking question effective. Communication also requires a response from the other party. Statements that have been conveyed by the other party require a response. Can be by asking question if there are statements that are not understood or express your response. Number 3, provide information clearly. In communicating, it is also necessary to convey information clearly so as not to cause misunderstandings from other parties. Explanation of information clearly and accurately, of course, will make the other person understand what is meant by what is being conveyed. Number 4, combining verbal and non-verbal. Effective communication also requires verbal and non-verbal communication at the same time in order to create effective communication. Non-verbal gestures such as nodding or smiling can create a communicative atmosphere. Plus verbal movement name through the delivery of information of responses that you clearly give to the other person. Thank you for your attention. This is my presentation and good morning.